Looking for a reliable USB-C to USB-C cable that fits perfectly with your Android smartphone? This 300mm 11.8 cable offers just the right length and flexibility you need for seamless connectivity without the clutter. It's designed to simplify your setup while delivering consistent performance every time. One standout feature is the built-in junction box, which helps manage cables neatly and prevents tangling. Whether you're connecting your phone to a microphone or another device, this cable keeps things organized and hassle-free. Plus, the shielded design ensures stable data transfer and reduces interference, so your recordings stay crystal clear. Users rave about how well this cable works with Android devices. For example, a OnePlus Nord owner shared how easily they set the cable as the default recorder in advanced settings, with flawless results. This kind of real-world proof shows that the genuine product delivers exactly what it promises. The cable's L-shaped connector on one end adds to its convenience. It's flexible and easy to handle, making it perfect for tight spaces or on-the-go setups. While the product description lists 30 centimeters, the total length including connectors is actually 35 centimeters, just enough to give you freedom without excess slack. If you're connecting a video mic Go 2 or similar gear, this cable fits the bill perfectly. It's designed with genuine quality, so you won't have to worry about compatibility or performance issues. The combination of length, shielding, and smart design makes it a dependable choice for anyone serious about audio or data connections. If that's you, someone who values clean setups and reliable connections, this USB-C to USB-C cable is worth a look. It's not just about length or style, it's about making your tech work smoother and easier every day. Ready to upgrade your gear with a cable that truly fits your needs? Try this 300mm shielded USB-C to USB-C patch cable when you're ready, and experience the difference genuine quality makes in your Android setup.